Runaway Bay is about 60 miles northwest of Fort Worth and is home to just over 1,600 people. So video from there over the weekend shows the debris cleanup and homes wrapped around poles, roofs torn off, and downed trees as well. One person, as we said, is dead there, and more than a dozen families have now been displaced in this tight-knit community. Also, at least one person is confirmed dead in Springtown, where an EF1 tornado struck the area Saturday. School is canceled there today as the families are working to clean up this debris. A wedding venue was also destroyed by these storms. Repairs will cost the owners millions of dollars, while the couples are now scrambling to find a new place to exchange vows. Our Lacey Beasley has that story from Springtown.
For a wedding day, prom, or any other event, Covered Bridge Venue is typically a beautiful place for newlyweds and families. But what once was a dance floor is now a safety hazard. Covered Bridge Venue is unrecognizable following two tornadoes that blew through Parker and Wise counties over the weekend. Shattered glass on the floor, metal beams mangled and twisted, the roof blown off. The venue is gone, and the only thing salvageable are some reception chairs. Covered Bridge Venue has been around since 2020 and hosts 90 events a year. Every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is typically booked. But the owner, Ricky Howard, says in a rarity, Saturday, when the storm blew through, they thankfully had no events.
It was overwhelming joy because we don't have any empty events on Saturdays. This is peak season for us. There's either a prom here or a wedding here. And we don't have cancellations. And the wedding that was scheduled for that night actually got rescheduled and pushed. And then that opened that day up 4 months ago. And then we were gonna have a family disco night, a silent disco, where the headphones were on, that was gonna have children, families. It was all gonna be family oriented. And it got canceled 2 weeks ago. And that don't happen. So there was definitely some divine work in this.
Now, Ricky tells me damages will cost about $4 million and take about 18 months to repair. But he says, thankfully, this is all just material object and no one was injured here. Reporting in Springtown, Lacey Beasley, CBS News, Texas.